Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making your Apple Card ready and tied to the Apple ID used for Roblox. Add and activate the card in Wallet, then open Settings and set it as your App Store payment method so purchases bill to Apple Card. Once done, make sure your Apple ID has valid billing info and any country or family sharing settings match the Roblox account. This avoids decline charges and ensures App Store credits or subscriptions don't interfere with buying Robux. You now go into the Roblox app and pick the Robux bundle you want. This is the direct purchase path. When you tap Buy, the App Store payment sheet appears. Select Apple Card if it's not already highlighted. Confirm the charge so Apple routes it to your card and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Doing it this way ensures Apple handles the transaction and Roblox credits your account immediately, while Apple Card records the charge for statements and rewards. You finish by verifying the Robux landed in your Roblox account and reviewing the App Store receipt in your purchase history. This confirms billing to Apple Card. If the purchase is declined, first check your Apple Card balance, billing address, and the Apple ID region. Mismatches often block charges. If Robux didn't appear yet the charge processed, contact Apple support for payment verification and Roblox billing for item delivery. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.